I am Washayla, and I'm so excited because today I received my Quantum Miracle iQube in the mail, well, by FedEx, and I can't wait to get started with it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started right now. And the first thing I have to do is unbox my Quantum Miracle iQube. And I'm doing this with you to share what it's like, what the experience is like. I have not taken anything out of the box yet, so you'll get to see it firsthand with me. So first of all, this is the user guide, the Quantum Miracle iQube user guide. I will keep this handy because I'm going to be referring to this while I unpack my Miracle. And this is a packet here that has it looks like information for the voice samples and some other information, as well as this very important piece, which is the USB I'm sure there's a lot of information on there that I'm gonna need, or maybe I'll be storing things on it. I'm not sure yet because I just got this technology right now. So I'm gonna put this aside. And I'm going to keep this handy, and I'm going to open the box. It's a very hard Pelican case, and it has these clips or latches. It has 4, 2 in front, 2 on the side. You want to make sure you get all 4 of them and open it up. This is a wonderful packaging system. As you can see, everything fits perfectly in here, and everything's padded, so when I go to travel with this system, I will keep this case and just pack it all in here, and everything will be safe and sound. So the first thing to do is to take all of the pieces out so that I can take them out of their bubble wrap or their plastic packaging, and make sure I have everything and that I can put everything together properly. So bear with me while I get everything out. Turn power switch to off position before unplugging or plugging in power. And you can see here. Okay, now that I have everything out of its wrapping and out of the box, I'm gonna start putting things together. So, following the directions here, this is the amplifier unit right here. And first things first, there is an on-off switch here, and they're very clear multiple times. It says, make sure that's off before you plug it in. I don't know what happens if it's on, but I'm not gonna mess with that. So make sure that's off. Now, next, okay, this is the power adapter right here, power adapter. And it says to plug in the power adapter. So I need to find the part that plugs in here, which is this. Very simply, I'm just gonna plug that there. It's together. And then I'm gonna take the other end and I'm going to plug it into an outlet. And now that it's plugged in, you can see this little green light turns on. That's how I know it's plugged in. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the yellow circle here, and I'm gonna plug it in to the amplifier while the amplifier is in the off position. All right, it's plugged in, so there's step 1. Okay, the next step is to plug in the 3 gold audio plugs from the Miracoil cylinder. These look like this. So, as you can see, this is connected to the Miracoil. And I'm going to take the 3 plugs. It didn't say any specific order, so I'm just going to plug them in. that was not difficult at all. All right, I'm gonna read the next step. Next, we plug in the digital player. This is the digital player. It looks like this. All right, one of these goes in here. The other end goes here, plugged in. Okay, this is the speaker here, and on the back you can see it has this little opening, and so let's see if I can make that more clear. Yeah. And so what you want to do is take the cord that looks like this. It's the only one in the box that looks that way. And you just plug it in there. Make sure it's secure. This is the bottom of the speaker. And then you're going to put the speaker here on top of the amplifier. So here we go. I'm going to try turning it on for the first time. Yellow light is on. That's a good thing. And back here, it has a red light. Not sure if it's supposed to be red. And this, on the next page, is the setup for the player guide. It shows all the different parts. So you're gonna turn it on. That's the little button here. You just push it, the smallest one, that turns it on. It says welcome, and there I can see that it's on. I'm gonna sit down for this part. Okay, so it has this scroll bar. It's already set at 70. The volume setting should be at 70. Mine actually is that way, it just started that way anyway. And wow, my mirror coil is on. And I saw that this is the Love and Prosperity Yantra on the top. I'll take a picture of that and show you a close-up. It's really beautiful. And so from here, it's just a matter of learning more about how to run the player and making sure that my amplifier and speaker are running correctly. And it's pretty simple. The quick start guide will tell me which buttons to push on here, so I might get into that a little bit more. But that's the basic setup. And I know that this microphone, I won't be using that until I actually start taking voice samples. So it's not necessary yet to be using the microphone. All right, thank you for joining me for my Miracle iQube unboxing, and I'm sure there will be more to come as I get in depth on how to use it and how everything works.